Hello, I am going to show how to change the battery for the remote for Honda CRV key. So remote key, this is the remote key, and the battery in the remote is low and the car is showing low battery sign in the dashboard. So first you have to take out this key. For that you have to press the lock here, slide the lock like this, and then pull out the key. So the key comes out here, the manual key, and then you have to split up these things. So you put the key here, put it here, and then rotate it like this. If you rotate it, it will open into two pieces. So then you open it, split up into two pieces. You have to put the I'll show you again. You can put the key here and then just rotate it, so it will open it here. Okay, and then you split up into two pieces, so you get these two pieces. So if you see, the battery is CR2032. Remember this CR2032 3-volt battery, it has to be replaced. So then take out the battery. How do you take out? You see there's two notches here on the upside, and there's a big notch here. So you have to press downside like this, and see, put your thumb finger here and press it down, and then this comes out. So press it here, see, it comes out. So this is your key. I think this whole thing comes out from the battery. Okay, so you got the battery out, and then put a new battery. So I bought a new battery, lithium battery, 2032 CR. Remember the number CR2032. So I took out one battery from the packet. Here is the new battery, CR2032, and then I'll put it here. Just push it like this and press it. It's easy. Okay, and then you press the other side. See, this thing is coming out. I don't know. So after pressing, and then you put the other side, click here, and then just click, press it hard, it will click, make a click sound, and then you put the key here. Is the keyhole. There goes the key. You have to press it hard. So this goes. Okay, my car is ringing. And then you push this here. It's done.